Hi, I'm Matthew Craig and you're watching The Market Bull. Joining me in the studio this morning is Gan, the Managing Director of Azzuro Resources. Thanks for your time today.
Thank you.
So just firstly, could you give us an overview of the company's flagship projects?
Azzuro Resources is formerly known as Asian Battery Metals. We are focused on developing and exploring for base and precious metal portfolio of assets in the southwestern part of Mongolia. The projects we have in our portfolio is Red Hill Copper Gold Project and Oval Copper Nickel Project, where our assets are only 8 kilometers from each other and potentially can use common infrastructure and logistics route to China, which is the largest copper concentrate market globally.
So you recently completed the acquisition of the Red Hill Copper Gold Project. Just what was so exciting about this opportunity?
Red Hill Copper Gold VMS project is, in our opinion, underexplored, not really thoroughly explored, but it has had actually a lot of historic work actually done on it. So it was important for us to look at the data and see the potential of this project.
We have initiated our metallurgy study last year and achieved very good results, more than 90% of recovery in the copper and the nickel somewhere around floating around 50, and we're still working on the optimization of that one.
The project itself is very complementary to our Oval Copper Nickel project and in bigger regional development strategy for that part in our company. It has historic results that had indication of there's a potentially higher grade mineralization in there, and in 2026 our initial stages of exploration work is really proving there's a definitely much more higher grade zones that has been known to this date.
So a maiden drilling campaign is ongoing at the project. How is this progressing?
It's progressing well. Last year in our due diligence program, we have identified 2 very distinct mineralization there. One is shallow gold mineralization, we call it North Zone or North Hill. And then we have a main area, which is VMS Copper Gold Zone, where we intercepted 17 meters of more than 2% copper and close to 0.6 gram per ton gold. So we are expanding from that area, and initial drill holes confirmed that our massive sulfide zone is at least more than 155 meters along the strike length, and this mineralization is open to both sides and also open to depth at this stage. We just had our confirmation of the assay results from the first hole, confirming the more high-grade nature of this mineralization and showing really good potential. So I think we are very excited that the initial results are actually exceeding our expectations on this project.
And just lastly, what are the next steps for the company and what news flow can investors look forward to over the coming months?
Definitely we're going to be finishing our drilling program at Red Hill, and the assay results are going to be coming to the market probably throughout the June and July. And on top of that, we would like to evaluate Red Hill holistically and to see what the potential of the project is. We are doing some geophysics on the asset, and then also we're doing geophysics on our remaining regional assets, including Oval Copper Nickel asset, very exciting discovery that we made in 2024, and then also Copper Ridge, very early stage, exciting copper project. So we regionally expanding these areas, so plenty of news to come in the exploration front. Also, we're gonna be having some metallurgy results coming from Red Hill area that would actually potentially confirm that a whole commercial concept that we can target as in the exploration in next rounds.
Well, thanks for your time today, Gan, and best of luck with the next steps at Azzuro Resources.
Thank you for having us.